And so at Goodison Park, amid international events that render certain players more liable to the global limelight than others, at glowering Goodison, an occasion both to be relished and perhaps to be feared. At Everton, for countless decades, a fearless club of great triumphs and at least solidity, Everton are battling here for their very status in the face of a wounded pride of Manchester City Lions. There is that contest, of course, to consider. There are the footballing ramifications, but there are also human beings who are having to deal with thoughts probably beyond the imaginations of most of us, who have families perhaps watching from afar with far more onerous concerns than a mere football match. Manchester City were hurt a week here at the home of a famous club, hovering horribly close to a dare not imagine scenario. Everton do have problems. And so at a time when sport must understand its place in the context of international events, the colours of Ukraine are prominent. Everton, clothed as City are in the colours of that country. Everton's problem in that context is not really a problem at all. Football unites, and one cannot help but feel huge, huge emotion. And instead of the Premier League anthem, an expression of international fraternity. He ain't heavy, he's my brother. Hearts go out to the people of Ukraine. 75 years of peace in Europe. And now this hideous week, Vitaly Mykolenko and Alexander Zinchenko. And so the game and the teams, as Chelsea boss Frank matches it today. The only change from last week's defeated 11 is the players in